Hey, what is up, guys? It is Cole here over at the fish tank, as you see here in the background. Today we have a different type of video. We are doing a channel slash workbench update. It's just to clarify what we're been up to and what we're going to be doing for the rest of the summer and the rest of this year. And also we're doing an unboxing from a good friend over at Charlie's Diecast. So that's pretty cool. He sent us a cool package, and I cannot wait to show you because I kind of got an information about it, but also at the same time, it was one of those things where it's like, oh, he's going to do something for me? That's pretty sweet. So I hope you guys enjoy. I know it's been a while, but I'm glad to be making another video, and I'm excited to share it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump into it. As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Alright guys, so as I said in the beginning of our video here, we are starting with a channel update. So, where have I been? Where have videos been? And what have I been doing? So, this summer has been crazy busy so far. Let me just say that. And, I've had a lot going on at work, and I've been super tired. It's been long hours, and just, you know, the normal life stuff. That's besides the point. But what we've been working on here at the fish tank is a lot of things. So if you guys saw, we finished the tater charger. If you guys haven't seen this video, please go check it out. This is a freaking awesome and fun build. I really enjoyed this one, and I know you guys did too. You guys really showed your love and support for this one. So if you guys want me to do more YouTuber type cars, let me know, like I said in that video. The link for that video will be down below. What else has been going on? I just got back from vacation. When it comes to diecast stuff, I did pick up a couple of cars, and if you guys haven't checked that out, it is on a picture on my Instagram. So go check that out at Cuda's Diecast Customs on Instagram. If you guys want to see some more behind the scenes and some sneak peek stuff, as I call it, then please go over there and go follow. Some build updates. So we're going to move on to that. So right now I'm doing a couple things. Non-diecast related, I'm working on these custom football helmets. I don't know if you guys were interested in that, but I am working on some custom football helmets. They are behind me. I might put a picture in the video around here, but that's a big project I'm working on. But when it comes to diecast, we are working on the Cuda's Diecast Customs dirt track car. If you guys remember, some of you probably seen me post pictures of this online, and or asking for some assistance for it for like paint. But I have figured out a paint. I just got to go pick it up at the store tomorrow, and we're going with a more of like a blue, maybe a royal blue, something just to stick out, and we might do a white top. Haven't decided yet, but we shall see. So this is one of the bigger projects we're working on at the moment. The next big one that we are going to work on is for remembering Scott, aka aka Opal. He sadly passed, if you guys don't remember. And it's been a hard time. We're doing a remembering build, and this is my my token to buy. I'm doing this Porsche toy, and I hope he's looking down and seeing us doing this for him, because he is missed, and I'm glad we're going to be able to do that project for him. The next little thing we're going to work on this summer is, if you guys remember, I started this Porsche a while ago. If I remember correctly, I don't think I posted the part 1 to this video, but I do have a video for this Porsche. It's a Matchbox Porsche, or not Porsche, oh my gosh, guys, Ferrari. Jeez, I'm out of it a little bit, but we're going to finish this car up, and it's going to look very nice. I'm very excited. It's been one of those ones that just been sitting around, and it needs to be finished so I can put it in the collection. So that's another one we're working on. And then the last one, that the goal is, these are big projects. We got a lot of small projects coming, but these are like the big ones. We are going to work on the Bone Shaker. So the Bone Shaker rat rod. So if you guys remember, I started this project, oh my god, I think it was like February. and I finally have time to come back to it and finish it. If you remember, our good buddy at Full Custom Diecast designed and printed this, so if you guys are interested in this 3D print, go over to Full Custom Diecast and purchase one yourself. You get this base, a set of wheels, a motor, and a front clip. All you need is the body to a bone shaker. So that's pretty sweet. So if you want this, go over and check him out. So that is our channel update. So if you guys have any other questions, or if you want me to build something for you or anything, always comment down below. Now let's get to our unboxing. It was a regular size package. It was like this, but there was addresses really big on it. And Charlie, nothing with you. It's just, you know how we are. We don't like to show our freaking addresses on here. So this is how we're gonna start this. So we got a note and a box with cars. So this is what we're gonna start with. I have to grab an X-Acto knife for this, but we're gonna start with our note. As we start here, we got some stickers. So Charlie's Diecast Garage. That's a very cool sticker. I really like that. And the freaking spray can. That's pretty sweet. And then, we got a CDG. This one's going on probably, I think it's going to go on the wall over here, but I'm not sure. This might go in the toolbox. I'm not sure yet. But we'll see. Those are very, very cool. Thank you, Charlie. Okay, let's jump into this note. Cole, sorry for these took so long to come to their new home. Oh, dude, it's alright. It freaking happens. Life, bro, life. I get it. Hope they are kind to you, in good spirits and in good health. As always, be safe, be well, and be kind. Always be kind. Your friend Charlie at Charlie's Diecast Garage. That is awesome, my friend. You know where this is going. This is going into the notes drawer. We are starting to work on that project, actually, and notes are going up on the board. I love these things. Thank you guys for always sending notes. I really appreciate it. It's awesome. And that drawer is starting to overflow with notes, and I love it. So thank you, sir. I do appreciate that. Let's jump into these. And like I said earlier, dude, don't worry about it. Freaking life gets in the way. Sometimes we can't mail everything right away. It happens. It's okay, guys. I'm late with stuff too. Like, for example, freaking Summer's cars are right here in a box. I just got to go to this freaking what do you call it? The post office tomorrow. I got a freaking piece of metal on my finger. I got to go to the post office tomorrow, and I got to just send those out. So that's what I'm doing tomorrow. And Summer, if you're watching this, you guys, our cars are coming right away. So look forward to that. So let's jump into the box of mystery. I have a general idea what he did, but I'm not really sure, so I'm not going to really guess. So this is kind of like a full thing to both of us. So let's see what we got here. All right, so I see some type of tow truck type thing. So that's pretty sweet. Oh, wow. I remember this truck. Yeah, so he did this for, I believe it was the tow truck challenge. Charlie, you're going to have to remind me. But this thing's sweet. I really love the futuristic, like, arm. That's pretty sweet. The paint's really cool, and I like the texture. Really, I like the texture. It's really, there's a lot of paint, different types of colors on here. This thing's awesome. Thank you, man. This is awesome. This is going right in the collection. Honestly, this is going on my workbench back at the old apartment at school. So that's gonna be a favorite right there. It looks like we have another truck. Look at that. There's a Chevy logo. You guys know how I am with my Chevys. All right, let's try not to cut myself here. I'm doing that a lot lately. So, oh, whoa, wait, whoa, Charlie, dude, you have outdone yourself, my friend. Holy crap. Wow. Dude, this is amazing. I really like that color fade. Oh. What kind of paint is this? I gotta ask, what kind of paint is this? That is really sweet. And look at the detail on the surfboard. You can really see like where it's broken stuff. The detail on the back is really good. The detail on the front is really good. Holy moly. And the tires really, really work well. This is sweet. Dude, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate those cars. I appreciate the stickers. And I always, of course, I appreciate the note. So thank you very much for sending all this. these are amazing, dude. Thank you very much. Those are really special to me, and they're going with the rest of the custom cars that everyone sent me. So thank you very much. And Charlie, I do owe you some cars, so let me know what you want, man, and we can make it happen. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by the video. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below or DM me on Instagram if you guys need a build done or you need some questions or you just want to talk. Please contact me and we can have a conversation, guys. I love talking to you guys and I'm really trying to get back into it heavy-handed. It's just been really hard. Freaking, you guys know me. I got school and work and life and it just sucks because I really want to be down here doing the cars for you guys and it's hard at times. But thank you guys for stopping by again. As always, be safe, have fun, and keep building, guys. I'll see you in the next one.